Tip, 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 tip. There's my pretty girl. It's her bedtime. This is where she sleeps at night. Yes, this is where you sleep, huh, sweet girl? There's my little girl. Tip, 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 tip. There you go. You be good? Go for the night? Oh, sweet girl, you be good for the night? Yes, you are. Well, good morning. I'm Martin Tyner. This is my beautiful wife, Susan, with
Hello.
this Southwest Wildlife Foundation, and we're going to do another box opening. We're so excited how generous everybody has been to us, and all of these gifts help us a ton taking care of the animals, so we are greatly appreciative. And this is, of course, Cody, otherwise known as Dum Dum.
Getting his love and cuddles.
Yes, you got to get his time. He's kind of the star. And then right behind us, this is Belle. This is our peregrine falcon.
Helen.
I'm sorry, Helen, the peregrine falcon. It's early, and she's one of our wildlife ambassadors, and so she is joining us this morning. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let me get my knife out.
We'd be outside, but we've got winds howling with the storm blowing in.
Yes, we do. We have lots of storms this spring, which is a really good thing because we need it so bad. We need the wet weather. But this is a heavy one.
Are we crowding you out, Cody? If you guess what heavy means, a good thing. And much
Yeah.
needed.
I'm hoping what this is bird food.
Excellent.
Black sunflower seeds, a whole bag. And we put these in our feeders all over the nature park, and to help us feed all of the migratory songbirds that come through. So thank you. Is there notes?
No note in this bag, but thank
Okay.
you for the bird food.
Thank you for the black sunflower seeds.
The birds appreciate it.
They really, really do. They love it when we get our gifts of food for them. And another heavy one.
Oh, good. These are the two foods we use the most.
Yes, we can head over this one. There you go.
Hi, Martin and Susan, for all the migrating birds from Susan.
Thank you, Susan.
We've got the, yep, wild bird food mix and the black sunflowers.
Get that right, so you guys can see it. Yes. And wow, do we go through a ton of this stuff.
The birds love it.
They do. So Susan, we so appreciate everything you've done for us, and the birds appreciate it too. Thank you so very, very much.
Thank you.
Oh! More sunflower seeds and a note.
Alright.
Notes here.
You can get your fingers on it.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright.
Super.
I love wildlife and I wish I could do more, but take this gift and know it's given with love. From Janelle Wong. Thank you,
Janelle,
Janelle.
thank you so much. And it is, and the birds adore everything that you guys do for us. And Janelle, they'll just thrive on this. They'll just really enjoy it. So thank you so much for your kindness.
Good, it's taped to it.
Yeah.
Hi, Martin and Susan. Hope these come in handy.
Oh,
Susan,
they
from
will.
Susan Wishner. Thank you. Yes, the nature park. In fact, we've got college students coming up this week. If we have a day that's dry enough, that's going to be moving dirt into planters and planting. I forget how many butterfly bushes they got, but the milkweed. We got some seeds from Emery County just over a year ago, and they got started and planted, and now they're ready for transplant up at the nature park this year. So I think they've got 60 to 80 plants to put in so that we can attract the butterflies to the area. So this will really help.
It's really, really important. The monarch butterflies, habitat destruction and all along the way. And this is actually through part of their migration. And so basically anywhere that you live, if you're willing to plant the milkweed is not a really attractive plant, but it does help the butterflies tremendously. And so up at the nature park, we're doing a milkweed project for the monarch butterflies
With SUU.
with SUU, and so we're so grateful for that. And these
The
are
shovels from
wonderful.
Susan also. Thank you,
Yes.
Susan.
Thank you
This is
so much.
SUU and Jackie Grant spearheading this project and her students. And we appreciate it because part of the habitat, it's, you know, the animals, we need the whole ecosystem.
We
whole
do.
balance and biodiversity.
And so it's not just about eagles and hawks. It's not just about, you know, large wildlife. It's about the small stuff too, that we can keep the whole ecosystem balanced. And so we're very, very grateful for all of the volunteers helping us with all of our projects at the nature park. I do have a question that I want to ask everyone. Now, we did a podcast a few weeks ago, and it was
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. It was a live stream,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it went well. But what I'm curious, guys, would you be interested in a live stream of one of my wildlife programs? Now, here's the caveat. When I do these programs, it's called Birds of Prey of the West, and the program is literally 2 hours, and it's a lot of fun. We talk about all of the wildlife or birds of prey found in the West United States, and lots of silly stories. But if there's a good response and people would really love to see one of my shows live, as I'm doing it for whatever group, whether it's a school group, a senior citizen group, state prison, corporate, whatever the group happens to be, I'm considering if we could possibly put together a live show. And this is just, just feelers out. So if you would be interested in seeing one of my programs as a live stream, let us know, and we'll see if that's a possibility that we can make that happen. Guys, this is terrific. We're so thankful.
Thank you.
Susan and I have been so blessed by every one of you who have been helping us with the wildlife rescue and the wildlife, and I can't tell you how much we appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We've got somebody else in the room to see you. Yes, you do. I love that tail wag. That's her kind of good morning greeting. She wags her tail just to say hi to me. Such a sweet girl. Such a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. Okay, come on. Gotta step up. Time to get up. Time to get up and have breakfast. Pretty bell. Time to get up and have some breakfast. Yes, it is time, huh? Oh, got a feather on your head. Can I get that, please? Get a feather. There we go. Got it. Get a feather on your head. Pretty girl. Let's go ahead and get you out of here. And for your hood, here, you're gonna poop. Poop on the paper. You're not going to? Okay. Good time. Silly thing. You silly thing. There we go. There's my pretty girl. Again, the hood is all part of the training process. It's something that they have to get used to, and you need to reinforce it on a daily basis. Oh, big girl.